Welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to handle alerts in Playwright. Alerts are pop-up messages that appear on the screen to notify users, ask for confirmation, or collect some input. In this session, we'll look at the different types of alerts and how we can handle them using Playwright. I've been using this practice website. I will add the link in the description. Coming to the types of alerts. First, we have the simple alert. When I click on this, it displays a message and a OK button. Next, there is a confirmation alert, which gives you OK and cancel buttons, often used when you need your user confirmation. And finally, we have the prompt alert, which not only shows a message, but lets the user enter some text before confirming or canceling. Let us start with a simple alert. I have already created a test case, handle alerts. First step is to go to the URL. Next, we have to find the XPath for this button. So I can use this text. Click for JS alert. Control F, copy this and double slash button. I'll give here text. Found the exact XPath. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Await page dot locator. Just paste it over here and then dot click. The specialty with Playwright is that it will automatically handle the alerts. I will run this test case once so that you'll come to know. Did you see that the test case is passed? Which means Playwright automatically handled this alert. When I click for JS alert, this OK button was automatically selected. But I'm going to use something called page.on. Now, page.on is an event listener that waits for a specific event to occur on the page. I will show you how useful is this. Page.on, and then I'm going to give here dialog. Dialog waits for the browser listeners like simple alert, prompt alert, confirmation alert, and then async. I'm going to give here DI. You could give any name. I'm giving here DI. DI represents the object. When I click on this simple alert, I could see the message. So I'm going to print that message here just for confirmation. I will execute this test case and see what's happening. So this is working, and let me check if the message is printed. Yes, I am a JS alert. This message is also, we can see this message. Now I'm going to give here di dot accept. Accept will click on this OK button. So I could give there di dot message, which will give me the message. Di dot accept will accept the alert. Let me execute this once again to see if it accepts the alert. Yes, the test case passed, and we also got the message. Let me do the verification part now. I'm going to give here expect di dot message dot to contain I'm a JS alert. Okay, I'll execute this once again. Our test case should pass this time. Yes, the test case is passed. Now we look at how to handle confirm alerts. I will create a new test. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. And then I'm going to mark the previous one as skip so that this test will not execute. And then I'm going to change the name as confirm alerts. This time, the only change we need to make is updating this XPath. So when I'm inspecting, this is the XPath. I'm going to copy the text and replace it over here. Also, I'm going to click on cancel this time since confirm alerts provide two options. And I'm going to change this as well because this message should contain I am a JS confirm. So this is going to be di dot dismiss. This time I'm going to click on cancel like I said. So let's run the test and check the results. Perfect. The test ran successfully and passed. Next is the final one, which is the prompt alert. So when I click on this button, this displays an text box where I can enter inputs. So I'm going to copy and paste the previous test and mark this as skip. And I'm going to change the name as prompt alerts. Here, this should be I'm a JS prompt. And finally, I'm going to change the XPath. I'm inspecting this. This is the text. I'm going to replace it over here. All right. Before I click OK, I have to enter an input here. So I'm going to give here di dot accept playwright, or I'm going to give here hello world. And finally, I'm going to give here await page dot pause because I wanted to show you how it works. Because execution happens so fast that we will miss out things. So I'm running in the headed mode. Let us see how it works. So the test case has passed successfully, and we can see this. You entered hello world. So I will close this. So this is all about how to handle alerts in Playwright. So my friends, we have come to the end of the video. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Until then, keep learning. Happy testing. Bye.